Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome back to Be Colorful. Today we're gonna create the second Gatefold card using the intricate dice from the Tonic Craft Kit 55, as well as the beautiful and unique green iridescent paper from Tonic Studios, always included in the kit. So let's get started right away! A simple idea to use the intricate dice like those in the kit is to create panels using special papers, such as the iridescent one from the kit, obtaining a beautiful decorations for cards and, in this case, also for the boxes that can be created with the kit. As I already said, I'm gonna make a gatefold card, but you can use the die cut to decorate traditional cards. In the last video I created the gatefold card using this die of the kit and adapting the measures. This time I'm gonna use a standard 4¼ by 5½ gatefold card. However, as you can see, there are no proportional measurements, so we'll not have an equidistance between the decorative panel and the sides of the flaps. If you love precise proportions and alignment, I'd say that it is better to adapt the measures. In fact, for the next gatefold card, I will use the method of the last video again, but for simplicity we can opt for this solution. Okay, now I'm gonna glue the decorative panels onto the flaps of the card. And look, even if it is a very clean and simple card, this is already beautiful thanks to the iridescent paper and the elegant die cut. But in this video I'd like to use the die creatively, especially to give you some more ideas and show you that if you change your perspective, you can give life to new things using what you have in your stash. This die from the kit creates the two sides of the box, but I'm going to transform it into an elegant closure for the gatefold card. To be precise, I'm gonna create a pocket. So I'm going to die cut twice on white cardstock. Then I cut out this part, leaving just a small flap. In the other die cut, however, I'm going to cut out all this part and all the flaps, leaving only the main figure. I join the two parts by applying glue only on the flaps, and on the sides I'm going to apply foam pads, not everywhere, but leaving the space to insert the gatefold card inside. I let the glue dry and the pocket is ready. Now we can decorate it. I decided to create decorative panels with the coordinated dies. I don't introduce other colors because the focal point of the card must remain the special paper and the intricate die cut. The card has a white background and intricate iridescent panels, but for the pocket I decided to reverse these colors: iridescent background and white die cut. Once all the panels are ready, I glue them onto the pocket. Moving on to the sentiment, I'm going to stamp one of the stamps of the kit with the VersaFine Onyx Black. I heat set it with clear powder, just because this ink dries very slowly and I am impatient. It has happened to me a lot of times that I accidentally touch the ink that is not completely dry and leave fingerprints everywhere on the card. Back to us, I am going to add finishing borders to the sentiment and stick it in the pocket. As final details, I'm going to glue with a glue dot a bow made with the pink ribbon and create some drops with the pink glitter drops, both included in the kit. The second Gatefold card is done too. Thank you for watching this video and I'm waiting for you here on Be Colorful for the third Gatefold card. Bye bye and see you next time!